Welcome to our guide on creative wooden mug holder ideas to transform your coffee corner into a cozy oasis. Whether you're an avid coffee enthusiast or a tea aficionado, displaying your favorite mugs in style can add charm and functionality to your kitchen or coffee station. Join us as we explore 8 unique wooden mug holder ideas that are sure to inspire. Number 1. Rustic wall-mounted racks. Embrace the natural beauty of wood with a rustic wall-mounted mug rack. These holders not only save precious countertop space, but also add a touch of farmhouse charm to your kitchen. Opt for reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly and authentic look. Number 2. Pegboard mug display. Get creative with a pegboard mug display. Customize the layout by arranging wooden pegs to fit your mugs of various sizes. Paint the pegboard to match your kitchen decor and hang it on the wall for a functional and eye-catching storage solution. Number 3. DIY wooden shelf. Put your woodworking skill to the test with a DIY wooden shelf mug holder. Craft a simple yet elegant shelf using reclaimed wood or untreated laminate. Add hooks or pegs underneath. Hang your mug securely while showcasing your craftsmanship. Number 4. Tree branch mug tray. Bringing the outdoors inside with a whimsical tree branch mug tray. Find a sturdy branch with interesting twists and knots. Then mount it on wooden base for stability. Hang your mugs from the branches for a nature-inspired display. Number 5. Countertop mug stand. Keep your favorite mugs within arm's reach with a stylish countertop mug stand. Choose a design that complements your kitchen decor. Whether it's a sleek modern stack or a rustic wooden carousel, display your mugs like pieces of art for a functional and aesthetic addition to your countertop. Number 6. Multi-tiered mug holder. Maximize vertical space with a multi-tiered mug holder. Opt for a wooden stand with multiple levels to showcase your mug collection in style. Arrange your mugs by color, size, or theme for a visually appealing display that adds character to your coffee corner. Number 7. Hand-carved mug hooks. Add a touch of artisanal charm to your kitchen with hand-carved mug hooks. Commission a local woodworker to create custom hooks featuring intricate designs or personal motifs. Each hook becomes a work of art while providing a practical way to hang your mugs. Number 8. Hanging wooden ladder. Repurpose a wooden ladder into a unique and functional mug holder. Sand and stain the ladder to match your kitchen decor. Then suspend it from ceiling using sturdy hooks and chains. Hang your mugs from the ladder rungs for a creative and space-saving storage solution.